Hello guys and welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to show you how you can export a video as MP4 in Davinci Resolve. So firstly, just drag and drop your video onto the timeline just like that. And now what you have to do is just simply go to delivery tab over here. Then in the format, just simply click the drop box over here. Then choose MP4 over here. Then in the resolution, choose whatever resolution you want. So let's go with Ultra HD. So you can make more changes over here, but after making all of the changes, just simply click add to render queue over here. Then click add. As you can see, the video has been added, but before pressing render, just simply scroll up over here and change the name for the file and set a render location where the file will be rendered. So just simply choose the desktop, then press render over here, and within a few seconds the video footage will be rendered in MP4. So after the rendering is complete, if you go back to the place where you saved the location, you will find the video has been rendered in MP4, which you can see right over here. So that's it, and thank you for watching, and do like and subscribe to my channel, and take care.